I'm not quite sure what to
So does JD.
We're quoting Shakespeare now, well, I don't know.
I know what love is.
Put some effort into it.
We haven't even got started.
Look in his eyes.
He's not looking into my eyes.
Well, that's what I'm talking to.
I'm focusing somewhere else.